Hi Stampers, this is Lynn Starzl, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today we're going to be doing a card using the Sea Turtle stamp set. And this is one of the reversible sets. This is the card we're going to be making. It's a very, very simple layout. Your card base is 8.5 by 5.5 folded in half. The evening evergreen layer is 5 by 3 3/4, and your strips are 1 by 3s. And I'm using the fine shimmer paper and the Fancy Flora designer series paper, which are found on page 15 of the January through April mini catalog. The Sea Turtle stamp set is on page 29 of the same catalog. And there are no sentiments in the set, so this one we're using Friends Are Like Seashells for my sentiments. Okay, let's get started. We'll start with our evening evergreen. And I have the strips already cut. And I chose this paper because it had soft succulent in it, and that's the colors I was going to use. And evening evergreen, I guess. And I like the shimmer paper. The fine shimmer paper comes in fresh fuchsia, soft succulent, and gold. It also has clips of coral in the Fancy Flora, so I like that with this. Okay. Now we'll do our turtle stamping. And I've already die cut with the stylish shapes this circle, and the reversible stamps, they'll have like the detail on one side, and then you clean it with the chamois, turn it over, and then you can do the other side. I did do the stamping to show what the other side looks like, and these are not meant to line up exactly on some of these stamps. So like this one looks like you could use it as a pond, and of course it wouldn't do any two-step stamping on your fish. But here's the large turtle, and we're using the small one. So I'm going to stamp the detail in evening evergreen, and then I'm going to clean that off with the chamois. And I'll take that off. And now, whoops, got to get the right side. Now we have the smooth side, and that I'm going to stamp with soft succulent. And hopefully I can line this up since I'm not right above it. Okay, there you go. And then we have that done. And then we'll do our sentiment. And I have a 3/4 inch strip, and we're going to use Happy Birthday to My Beautiful Friend from the Friends Are Like Seashells, since there are no sentiments in this. And stamp it with evening evergreen. And I will just snip the side of it. And then we'll add that to our front. Like so. We'll add dimensionals to the back of our stylish shaped circle. And then attach that. And then we're going to be using the iridescent pastel gems that are also from this mini. And these are Balmy Blue, Gold, and Calypso Coral. Let's see. And we'll add a gold one, maybe over there. Okay, our front is done. Now we'll do the inside. And since this is a photopolymer set, that's why I'm doing my stamping on our foam mats. And for the inside, from the Friends Are Like Seashells stamp set, we're going to stamp with Evening Evergreen, wishing you the very best. And then over the top of that, we're going to use Calypso Coral. And I think that I stamped off first when I did that one. Okay. And then with the soft succulent, we will do our, I don't know if I have it on the right side yet. And then we have our inside done. I will have the supply list and some of the card measurements on my blog post, which I will link underneath the video. And that is one quick card, and cute too. And here is another one that I made. This one I used the diorama dies, layering diorama dies, and then I stamped the bubbles on the background. And then I, after I was done stamping, I used the blending brushes and did Balmy Blue on that. And that one I used the Something Fancy stamp set. And that's in the mini. Okay, happy stamping!